Hello and welcome to Solved Gadgets. Looking forward to our new videos. We were busy producing it, but it is now available. Today's video collection includes the following incredible and cool gadgets tools that will simplify your work. Let's get right to the video. You have been surrounded from all four sides, so freeze. This is a place of renovation. With this screwdriver in the form of a pistol tool, you may perform a few small harmless pranks in addition to doing work-related duties. The gadget comes in pink, gray, and orange color and costs roughly $40. 3 bits are held on each side of the 6 bits that the producer gives, and the LED illumination has been added for convenience. About 3 hours of use may be obtained from a single charge by pushing the button on the tool's top. The charge status can be seen. There are 180 revolutions per minute at the fastest pace. The weight of the gadget is around 1.65 pounds. The maker claims that it is the ideal present for everyone. Those who actually have to deal with tables, cabinets, and other furniture with drawers means the carpenters might use this as an alternative. With the Rockler Universal Drawer Slide Jig, work will move more efficiently and drawer rails and slides will constantly be level and tidy. The tool, which weighs roughly 1.45 pounds, secures draw guides securely in place without breaking them, owing to its foam nylon body. The notches are intended to make it easier to use small bits or screwdrivers with the drill. The gadget is priced at $32. The designers of the GRAVILEZ wheelbarrow consider their innovation simple and groundbreaking. Gravel, as well as other comparable components, are handled much more easily as a result. A crew of 3 or 4 who used a traditional wheelbarrow will now be substituted by one person who used a GRAVILEZ. The resource will also be managed considerably more efficiently. Time and cost can be reduced in half, for instance, when functioning with GRAVILEZ. The layout is extremely straightforward. A motorcycle-style handle that also has a brake is used to regulate the gravel progression. The technique is easily adaptable to the gravel shape. Functioning with increments of 0.1 to 0.2 and 0.4 to 0.8 inches is possible. Furthermore, the job lowers the chance of gravel falling outside the work area, such as on the grass or into the lake. On request, the pricing is made accessible. And the following describes how the Makinex motorized hand lift can serve with both loading and unloading operations. The company claims that it is a cost-effective pickup substitute that combines efficiency and adaptability. The lift version has an approximate 88-pound weight and has a 309-pound lifting capacity. A battery charge allows for around 50 operations, allowing it to be operated by only one individual. Commodities may be loaded straight into the carriage, much like with cranes. The elevating height may be increased to 6.2 feet. The hand lift has the additional bonus of not authorizing any manufacturer's certificates or other credentials. Do you actually want this gadget? On request, a price list is given. In order to use nail guns effectively, this adapter will be advantageous. One of the labor swaps out the original and makes it simpler to maneuver the tool. The adapter is compatible with firearms that have a 4-bolt base plate connection, such as various Freeman and Makinex models. It's indeed suitable for installing 5 16-inches to 3/4-inch baseboards. This decreases discomfort and guarantees that the job is free of scratching as well as other surface imperfections. The rollers automatically adjust on their own. The adapter is 8.38 by 9.75 by 2.38 inches and weighs approximately 1.25 pounds. The cost of this gadget is $133. This is Bevel Boss. The next item in our collection is a machine for beveling plumbing fittings. You may use huge pipework starting at a diameter of 2 inches thanks to the versatile adjustment choices. This is the only machine in the business, claims the maker, that facilitates beveling a pipe simultaneously rapid and safe. The machine is powered by a 20-volt battery and weighs 3.95 pounds when it was manufactured. The bevel length is adjustable within an inch, as well as the carbide cutter's focus on providing efficient and ergonomic work. The equipment is available in different versions, and the absolute cheapest of which costs $647. This is GoldenRod, a gadget that enables dealing with both spiked and regular wire, and its handling is simple. This could be a valuable contributor to the toolkit arsenal of a skilled mechanic. The initial version of the tool was released in the 1940s, and the maker now provides 3 models, the 400, the 405, and the 415. The concept of GoldenRod is straightforward. Installing and fastening barbed and common wire is possible using the equipment. Farm owners can swiftly fix fencing deterioration, for instance, without the need for sophisticated or resource-intensive machinery. Steel has been used to construct the 33.4 inches long GoldenRod. It will be simple to operate independently thanks to the innovative ratchet design. It costs $62 for the 415 variant. This is the drill pump. The drill pump, which converts a drill into a pump, is an intriguing gadget for speedy water pumping. Work smarter, not harder, is the drill pump's philosophy. Pumping up to 35 gallons per minute and compliance with drills from all manufacturers are claims made by the manufacturer. The drill pump may be used even in contaminated water thanks to detachable heads and a self-cleaning filtration. It includes a supporting platform for the drill to eliminate arm exhaustion and a 72 inches flexible PVC hose that comes with it. A manual pumping option is furthermore provided, and the device is priced at $330. So how would you charge the batteries of numerous gadgets fast and efficiently? Charging stations, such as the one that appears on the screen, are obtainable. For use with M18 and M12 battery systems, there's the Milwaukee 4859-1807, which is offered to the customers. The unit not only charges the batteries, but it also interfaces with them by employing red link intelligence technology. The monitoring of voltage and temperature in particular enhances battery life and performance. Furthermore, the charging procedure is 40% quicker. Due to the convenient handle that is integrated into the design, which weighs 8.15 pounds, and it is simple to carry. It costs $240.